Webland. Today we'll be talking about using videos, video editing apps, artificial intelligence video editing apps that will blow whatever you're doing. Today, all sorts of people do content creating in every manner. Without content creating, what you're doing is almost not good enough. Okay, if you're not using the best of video editing apps, you might not do the best of videos. With what I'm going to teach you today, what I'm going to pass on to you today, these apps will blow up everything you're doing, even if it's news content you're creating, even if it's you're making videos about classes, even if you're making videos about programming, even if you're making videos about music tracks. These apps are here to blow your page up. You just have to sit back, relax, and get every detail of what we're teaching. Each and every one of them is very important. The last is very much important. Stay till the last video editing course we're going to show you, so you can get the real information. .com is an AI tool. With this AI tool, you don't need any camera, you don't need any crew, you don't have any problem whatsoever about recording your videos. The basic thing with this is that you can run your great content within a few minutes. You don't even need to start setting up lighting in the room. Okay, these are avatars that can be used to create this content. Okay, you can use it to set up a faceless YouTube channel. You can use it to start a news channel for yourself. There are no limitations with hygiene.com. It has free aspects of it. Okay, it has free aspects of it, and it equally has a paid version. It's very much trusted. As create AI videos in 3 easy steps. All you need to do is pick your avatar, put in the script you want. That's number 2. Put in the script on the language that you want, and submit the video for the video to be generated. Hygiene.com is very nice. It can always be used. The next one on video editing app that AI supports you will like is RecordOnes. Just as the name says, RecordOnes. Create video demos and tutorials in minutes with an AI that edits, polishes, and hides mistakes. This one is not the type that you're saying, I did not mention this one well, I did not say this one well. This AI to spot the mistake, pick it out, and delete it. Okay, to polish your video to be so nice that everyone that sees the video will be thinking this AI to that this video was done by a professional video editor. Okay, our AI understands your app and has amazing video skills. Okay, it turns any recording into a professional polished video with zero effort on the end. It has 3 steps. Record as quickly as you can demo for your product. Our AI edits the video and removes any mistake. Number 3, it just adds the finishing touches to your video. In a few minutes, you're done creating your video. It's very easy. It's very much simple to use. Automatic editing. It adds voiceover. This one is not the type you're looking for voiceover here and there, voiceover artist here and there. Adds automatic voiceover, or you can use your voice to add up the voice, do the voiceover by yourself. You hire someone and do it by yourself. Okay, the thing is just very nice. It finishes the work you're doing within a few seconds. Here is the final aspect of the whole thing. Okay, RecordOnes is you can log in and start with a free trial. You have to try it out, see how far it works before making any payment if you choose to. The next one we're going to talk about is Syllabus, syllabus.io. Syllabus.io creates your social media content strategy within 10 minutes. Okay, with this very AI supported app, web app, you can create your content. It can filter what people are looking for. You might not need to use Google Trend any longer, or any of these SEO friendly websites that can support your SEO. With Syllabus, you can create social media content within 10 minutes to pick out what people want, what they are seeking for, the kind of content that might go viral, and generate AI script for you. Okay, you don't need to get worried, say I don't know much about this one. But with this tool, you can generate script, help you stay consistent. As you can see here,
Staying consistent is one of the hardest part of content creation. With Syllabus, our content calendar will hold you accountable to make sure you are posting. Okay, these things are very, very much nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. As you can see, it said start for free. Start for free. Okay, okay. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is deepfakes.lol. Okay, this very app is equally nice. Here, all you need is choose a video of someone that is talking. Enter what you want them to say. You know, like type in a few information that you want them to say. Then click create deepfake. Get a lip sync deepfake video. All you need to do is type in all the details that you need and click on create deepfake. With this app, your content creation problems are over, like completely over. You don't need to have any challenges again for content creation. So catch you next time. Hope we made value with all the information we passed. Thank you very much.